Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom actually to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected with the date and time. However, right now we cannot set both manually. It is because we are using the automatic option. So let's first of all turn off this option and maybe this one, because we will also try to set the time zone. So as you can see, those options are active right now. We can tap on it and just by swiping change the date you want to set. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. And here the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and you will be transferred to the full list of available regions from which you can choose. So simply find it and tap on it. Let me pick this one, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You can decide whether you want to use the location to set the time zone. You can turn it on or off. And here we've got the time format. You can decide whether you want to use it based on the system language, or you can kind of manually pick the 12-hour format or 24-hour one. Just tap on the option like to use. Here you can also decide whether you want to use the dual clock, which simply means that after activating this option, your device will show you the time from the place you're currently in, and the second clock will show you the time from any other place in the world, on a world of your choice. You can set it right here, up to you if you want to use it. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, if you want to, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers, and your device will simply set the time and the time zone automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.